Hey YouTube, this is my Minecraft world that I've been making. Right here, it's pretty cool. And I'll be showing you a review of it. So here is my plant thing that I made. This is my room with extra tools, just in case. This is my wheat growing farm. It goes really fast because all the jack-o'-lanterns. This is the storage room, a fireplace room, which I'm going to make eventually. Like an outside cage for all my dogs. A playroom for my dogs and water. And here is my main chest. I got a furnace and a crafting table. I got some paintings. I got 4 paintings. Here's my patio deck thing. Here's my enchantment table. And right here's another painting. But wait. It's a secret little hideout thing. And guess what's in here? Diamond sword, diamond shovel, diamond pick, diamond axe. Pure epic right there. So that one's, no one knows it's in there. Except they just go like that. Except if they go like that. And then just go like this. And it's back on. There. Thank you for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe for more vids.